The fastest way to make a half square triangle is to make a big half square triangle, and our free pattern has just that. Hi, it's Fran Morgan.
And Hannah with Fabric Café.
Are you new to half square triangles and would like some easy ones to work with?
Well, then our free pattern is perfect for you. Let's go check out the quilt and I'll show you what we mean. So here we have our pattern through the window again, and this one comes from our book, Pretty Darn Quick. Now, like the name suggests, it looks like you're looking through a window, which I think is the coolest thing about this pattern. With the way our sashing strips come together and these half square triangles turn, it looks like window panes. And I love that we get this nice diamond here with our focus fabric. And then with the other side being our number 2, we get another nice diamond of that. So it looks like these cool window panes with these little peekaboos. Now, it's made very simply. We have a nice size half square triangle, and the bigger the half square triangle, the less you have to make, so that will go really quickly. Plus, when you're sewing your rows together like this with the half square triangles and these strips, you don't have to match any seams because these are straight edges, so that'll speed that process up too. Then we just have this nice sashing strip right here to put in between our rows so that you get that sweet little window pane action. Now, let's put it on the table and we'll dive a little bit deeper into exactly how to make this quilt.
First off, we're going to actually look at this sashing strip in the center. It's kind of like a strip assembly, but made a little bit differently because we don't need a hole with the fabric strip to make this whole thing.
Okay.
We're gonna start off with a rectangle. Then we're gonna sew a strip in between. Then we're gonna sew another rectangle to that with another strip, and we're just gonna keep on going and keep on going until we end up with this.
Long piece.
Yeah, exactly. This nice long one.
And so what you were saying, so that everyone understands, is you wouldn't do the normal with the fabric piece because this would be really big and you just don't need that much.
Yeah,
so we just cut it down a little bit. Perfect. Okay.
Nice and easy. And then you're going to cut a nice long strip, and that is your sashing strip.
All right, and so when you cut this, you can just lay this on your cutting table and run your ruler right at the measurement that you need and then just cut it right along the edge.
Yes.
So easy. That does make the sashing fast whenever you're doing this. It really goes quickly.
Because these are just no matching seams or anything. You just go, go, go. Which is great.
We love that.
We do. It's awesome. Now it's time for our half square triangles. And so we have a really nice size half square triangle. So it's going to go really quickly.
Yes.
And it means there's less of them, which is always great.
Yes. Nice size, easy to work with. Okay.
Exactly. So we're gonna have one, and make sure you're looking at your pattern to see which way they alternate, they rotate, and so that you can see they come together to make those diamonds. So this is one row. You're going to take along with the fabric strip, and you'll sew it to the side of your half square triangle, trim it even with the top and bottom, and I'm just gonna fold that up so you can see. Then you would sew your next one on. Then you would sew another with the fabric strip to the edge of this, and you're gonna keep on going until you have a full row. Once that row is done, then you add one of your sashing strips in between, like this. So we have it right there. And that gets you ready to do your next half square triangle row.
So you have a row, then you have a sashing, and then you have a row of half square triangles.
Yep. Then we have our half square triangle. And remember, the seam allowances are still on, so they don't line up perfectly. And I'm gonna steal this strip right here. And it's made exactly the same way. You have a half square triangle, you make your strip to the side, then you have another half square triangle, and you just keep on going and going. And you can tell when you have it lined up correctly because we've got our diamonds.
That is so cool. And I always look at that whenever I'm putting a quilt together. I like seeing that the pattern is evolving and that it helps me make sure my blocks are rotated the right way. So very fun, very easy.
Yeah. So this one's gonna go in no time, and you'll keep on going, put another sashing strip after this one, and then half square triangle all the way down with your sashing strips. So it's fun. All right, so we have our fabric. And this focus is gorgeous.
It is. The colors and the the style of the print is
Yeah.
so wonderful.
Yeah, it's like brush strokes on some of them. So we've got this soft background, but then all of these touches of kind of darker brush strokes on it.
It's
so
so cool.
So this is, as you can see, it's going to go everywhere our focus is. So you'll have some diamond window panes with this one. And then our number 2 fabric is just a nice subtle white texture, and that will go in our number 2, so it'll be in half of our half square triangles, as well as these little peekaboos.
Very cute.
And then our number 3, this makes me think of stepping stones in a garden.
Yes.
It
Or like
matches-
cobblestones or
Yeah. So that's going to be everywhere your sashing is, as well as on your border, which is really lovely how it frames the whole quilt out. This fabric is called Watercolor Garden, and it is using that through the window again pattern, which is from Pretty Darn Quick.
Okay, I love our next kit. It is so much fun. It kind of like it pulls on those vacation strings just a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So our focus fabric has the most darling little campers on it. We even have like a little mini bus here with the little flowers painted on the side, and it has the lights in the windows. And
So sweet. And a little Volkswagen Beetle.
that's so cute. I love it. And it is our focus fabric, so it's going to go in all of our half square triangles where you see the floral on this quilt. Then for our number 2, needs a fun polka dot. And I like these dots because they look very random. You know how sometimes polka dots are very lined up and very structured? These are just, they're free. And,
They're on the road. They're free spirits.
yeah, it's a free-spirited dot. So, and that goes right here everywhere you see the white. Okay, then our number 3 fabric is this beautiful jade green. And once again, it has another kind of random dot, but they're a little closer together. This is going to go everywhere you see the sashing here in this purpley pink. And it's just going to frame it so beautifully and really bring out all of those gorgeous jade tones in our campers, which is great. Yes. And I love this. Now, this fabric is a tossed fabric, and it works perfectly in our half square triangles.
Yeah. Yeah, you definitely, I wouldn't recommend using a directional fabric for this.
I wouldn't.
A stripe would probably be okay.
Yeah, a stripe would probably work. But these campers are perfect because they are tossed, and I love the way that the sashing really frames them. And it looks like you're looking through a window, just like the pattern name implies.
Like on vacation.
Just like on vacation. It is perfect.
And they're also the perfect size for that print too. It's a nice size for those half square triangles.
Agreed. Very, very
perfect.
good. Very good.
Just a reminder, this pattern is free for right now, but it won't be forever. So go download it for free at fabriccafe.com under the free goodies tab, and you got to get it while it's here.
Yes, it's a great pattern. You don't want to miss it. All right, let's get you the kit information. It is called Gone Glamping. And once again, it is our free pattern for right now, Through the Window Again.
All right, we're going to take a slightly different direction, and we're going to go soft, very soft and pastel, which I think it's amazing. It'll look beautiful in this too.
Yes.
So we have this nice soft peach and pink floral on a soft white background. And there's some little cursive in there too.
Oh, there is.
So it's kind of like you were writing a letter. And this is going to go everywhere you see this watercolor floral here. Then for our number 2, we have this peachy white kind of star soft polka dot, which I really love. That's going to go for our other half of our half square triangle, as well as in our little peekaboos. And then our number 3, it's a small floral, and we've got a little pop of yellow, which matches the yellow.
I love it.
And this is gonna go everywhere you see this purple right here. All right, so let's take a look at an image of this. I think that this turned out so sweet and so cute.
It really, really is. And Hannah, I love the way the focus fabric is the lightest fabric, but it still fits with our fabric strategy of focus, light, and dark.
Yeah, I like when we change things up like that because it still works so well, but it has this nice sweet little pink in those little peekaboos now.
I love it. And it kind of alters the look of the pattern, even though the pattern's not altered at all.
Yeah.
It just gives a totally different look. Turned out beautiful.
And the kit info for this
is Blush Bouquet using the Through the Window Again pattern.
Okay, our next fabric kit makes me think of skate parties at the skating rink when I was a teenager.
Yes. Oh, definitely.
Doesn't it? Because I remember going to birthday parties and skate parties, and then you had all the the disco
Yeah,
balls.
and all of the different lights.
Oh, it's so
for
much
sure.
fun. It is so much fun.
And talk about a not structured dot. Like we were doing earlier.
I love it. All on a pink background, all of these bright colors, all these different kinds of dots. Like there's so much energy in this fabric. It is so great. This is our focus. It is going to go everywhere you see the flowers on this one. Love it. I think this is going to be so cute. Can't wait to see the image. Now we've paired it with a number 2 that is perfect. It is a black and white dot once again.
It's great.
Unstructured, and it almost looks like little confettis to me. And this is going to go in our number 2 position, which is where the white is here. And I think it's going to contrast beautifully. And then for our number 3, we're going to add that little pop, that little wow, and that Shazam. That is going to go everywhere the purple is here. That black is just going to frame it beautifully.
Perfectly.
Oh
And it'll
my
be
goodness.
like a real window,
It will.
A traditional window.
It will. It is, truly, it is a party on a quilt.
It's so great. And I love how, so the border is our number 3, which really makes a great frame. But I love that the focus is the binding.
Oh, and it gives you just a little hint of that pink on the edge.
With all of those different colors going on. So the party doesn't stop.
Yeah.
It's great.
I love it. It just keeps going. Okay, let's get you some kit information. It is called Bright and Bubbly, which is the perfect name. And once again, it is our pattern Through the Window Again.
So we went bright and bubbly. Now we're going to go kind of fall themed, warm and cozy. And we have this floral on a nice, like, kind of denim-y background. And I love how it looks like they were drawn. Coloring is so sharp, it kind of looks like a pen drawing, which I think is so pretty. And this is gonna go everywhere you see our floral here. And then our number 2 fabric, we've got a similar kind of print, but it has the same art style, but it's on a white background. And this is almost a double focus.
It is. I was just thinking that.
Which is really nice in this pattern because it just means your different diamonds are going to be different focuses. And that will go everywhere the white is. And then for our number 3, we have this orange kind of like terracotta color.
So yummy.
And it's going to go everywhere this purple is. And it is a little bit directional, but don't worry. This is a good one to use directional with in the number 3. Not necessarily your 1 and 2, but the way your sashing strips are made and everything, it'll line up right.
Yeah, it will. It'll work perfect.
And you don't have to match them.
So this is such a yummy color, especially for fall. It just feels like home. And
I love how much contrast there is between all 3 of them, really.
There really is. So even though we have a print in both the 1 and the 2, they still contrast beautifully. And it still gives you so much interest in that number 2 fabric.
Now this kit is called Cinnamon Blooms, using the pattern Through the Window Again.
So our next kit has that beautiful colorway that I love. The jade greens. I just am always drawn to them.
Yes, me too.
Always drawn to them. And I really love this too because it has the corals and the yellowy golds and the greens in it as well.
I love this shade. I think that's my favorite shade of yellow.
It's very warm. It doesn't go too lemony. It's very warm and comforting. Wonderful floral bouquets here with just a light, slight dot stripe. Does that make any sense? A stripe that's made with dots. And we're going to be using this as our focus fabric. So it's going to go in our half square triangle everywhere you see this floral. Then we're going to match it with a number 2 that is perfect. We have all the same coloring here. Nice warm white background with all the little flowers scattered on there and the leaves. And nice contrast with color and scale. So it's really going to help your half square triangles pop to create that diamond. So this is going to go everywhere the white is here. Okay, so for our number 3, the green. Love this green.
So pretty.
This is what always attracts me to these. I mean, this color of green is just what I love.
It's, yeah.
And this has a little kind of a daisy flower all scattered around it. So it kind of has a sense of a polka dot, but it's a little flower. It's so sweet. But it's going to go, of course, on your border and all your sashing here to really frame it all together and give you that anchor. So I really like this. So, so sweet. And I love the way that the number 2 fabric, once again, it has that print on it, but it's not overwhelming.
Yes.
So
I love the combination of all 3 of these prints because we really have a big, a medium, and a small print. So none of them are fighting for the attention.
Yes.
They're cohesive.
Yes, and the focus stays the focus, and the others support it so well. And the green creates those windows panes so beautifully. I think it's so pretty.
It's very pretty, very soothing.
Yes. Okay, so the kit information on this one is called Joyful Trellis, and it is the pattern through the window again.
This pattern is so versatile. It looks good in so many different fabric combinations.
But remember, it's only available for a limited time. So go check out our free goodies tab and download it now.
And if you're looking for some tips on how to make half square triangles, then be sure to watch the video that pops up next.
Happy quilting!